Let's fucking go.
So what gear are you in right now?
My bike doesn't have gears. It's
Oh my
literally
god,
just
you're right.
like a
I forgot.
CVT type transmission.
That's so crazy.
It is, so there's no clutch.
It keeps tripping me up how silent it is.
Yeah, I know. It's wild.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good, good. Just making sure.
Yeah, loud and clear.
That's a little better. That's a little better.
Good. Great.
Fire. Yeah, I'm in fourth now.
Yeah, that's better. Especially since we're slowing down for road construction now.
Okay.
You might even go to third once we're fully down to 55.
What? How many? What RPMs do you usually expect to be at when we're cruising down a little highway
anywhere
like this?
between 5 and 7.
That's cool. I'm at like 55 right now.
Nice.
It's good to know. I didn't really know that reference point. I just
Yeah,
kind of
it's
use my
different
ears.
with every bike. Yeah. But this bike doesn't do great with low RPMs. It kind of bogs down.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
It likes to be revved a little hotter.
My little 250 much preferred low RPMs.
Interesting. Okay.
It's like it felt like it was gonna like jump off the road and hit me in the face
Yeah.
if I went
okay.
anywhere above like 6,000.
Okay. Interesting. No, this one
Yeah,
likes
yeah.
to cook.
Nice. Honestly, it feels like you have a little more control in the higher RPMs.
Exactly. It's more like a coiled spring ready for action.
Totally. The throttle's more responsive.
Yes.
Cool.
You can pass me whenever you'd like, whenever it's safe to do so.
Yeah.
We'll just kind of
You
go
know,
back and forth.
Yeah, fire. I mean, I'll pass you now. Hell.
Cool.
You know what? I'll wait. I'll pass.
Great.
So what were you saying about them filling in this land with water?
Yeah. Crazy.
So wild. Like imagining that where we are right now would be underwater in like a couple years.
Yeah, it'd be wild. I'll just come up alongside you.
I think there was smoking in that truck. Do you smell it?
Yeah, I do.
My spidey senses are going off.
That's great.
Yes, sir.
Little counter steer here.
Yes, sir. I got it. Feeling good.
Yeah. this is.
It's so fucking sexy.
I mean, caliente. Temperature.
No, it's sick.
Yeah,
Today it's sick.
it is.
Tomorrow it's suspicious.
Yeah.
Are we passing this car?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then you can pass me if you want.
Yeah.
I'm going to pass you on the left.
Go for it.
I want to pass this dude too.
Yeah.
He's kind of not it.
Kind of minus.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, good. We can just kind of do this, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think just because I've been like, it's a new bike and it's very powerful.
Yeah.
I've been like gorilla gripping the throttle just to make sure I have control, you know?
Yeah, that makes sense.
But it means my wrist is like
Yeah.
losing its stamina.
Yeah, I got it.
So my assignment, I think, is to find a more zen way to
Yeah.
interface with it.
Exactly.
Release unnecessary tension.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel good. Like I feel like I'm getting to know this machine.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's called a KTM 790 Duke.
A Duke.
Yeah.
Shit.
And the nickname for it is the Scalpel. That's what the manufacturer calls it, because it's supposed to be like laser accurate on twists and turns and ergonomics.
That's so sick. That's so badass.
Yeah. So it's kind of designed with a racetrack in mind, but also a mild enough seating position that it's not uncomfortable to ride on the road.
Yeah, no, it totally like. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, they did a good job with it. Great.
Whoa! I switched into neutral.
You're okay. It happens.
That it does. Hello.
Ooh, that's not a very wise driver right there.
That's minus. I'm gonna pass this guy.
Yep, sure.
And we're stopping.
Yes, we are.
Do you ever like start up into second on this bike?
It doesn't love it. I've tried it.
Got it.
It's not a huge enough engine to really make that work.
Yeah. I feel you.
You can pass me again if you want.
Yeah, I'll pass you on the right.
All right.
There you go.
Triple T. Goes to 45 up here, I would slow down a little.
Huh?
I would slow down a little because it's 45 now.
Okay. We're going straight at this light?
Yes. Straight for the next like half a dozen lights.
Okay.
Once it goes to 25 miles per hour, I'll pass you.
Okay. Maybe even second gear here?
Yes, I would.
What's the name of this road we're on?
287.
Got it.
Soon to be College Avenue, North College Avenue.
Huh.
It's probably technically College now, actually. But it's 287 up in the mountains.
I love it when a road changes its name without changing direction or anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Like T-Ticket Highway, Davis Straits, Route 28.
Yeah, so
like,
true.
what is that? The fuck?
Good example. Colorado recently made lane filtering legal. So
Yes!
at a situation like this, I'll illustrate if you want to follow me. You can't. Oh, never mind. You can't fully lane split like when the light's green, but if the light had stayed red, you could pull to the top. Like you can go to the front of the line if everyone stopped.
I haven't known the difference between lane splitting and lane filtering.
Yeah, lane splitting is when you can go like in between that CRV and the Jeep.
Right. In motion.
In motion, and filtering is when like everyone's stopped and you can just go to the front of the line.
Do you know if that's legal in Massachusetts?
I don't think so.
I mean, it seems like they wouldn't. That's some bullshit they would outlaw.
Of course. So we're gonna get into the left lane when we can.
Now's not a bad time.
Yeah. And they have designated motorcycle parking downtown, which is fantastic.
So banger.
Yeah. And that's where we're gonna park.
I've been in second this whole time and it feels pretty comfortable.
Yeah, it feels great. That's what I'd be doing if I were you.
Cool.
So we're gonna go through this. We're gonna go through this light, and right before the next light, we're gonna park on the left in the middle of the median in designated motorcycle parking.
Whatever you say. I'll follow your lead.
Nice. And just kind of however the bikes fit is fine.